G'day guys, and welcome back to another episode of the Weekly Mix-Up. Today we're back in our warehouse again making another cocktail. Today we're making the Tommy Margarita. So if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell so we get updates sent through. Also, for all those customers that are ordering online, hopefully we're starting to receive our cocktail cards. So for every customer that orders, we try to send out the right cocktail card for the price that you're ordering. And all those videos that we're creating every week here get sent out with these cocktail cards. So thank you for your support, and make sure you share those cocktails with us on our socials. So let's get stuck into the Tommy Margarita. So the first thing you'll need is a tequila, an agave syrup, some ice, limes, and some salt. We're using our little unbreakable 260ml bamboo rocks today. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to load our glass up with some ice. Get that nice and cold. Grab our shaker. We're going to pour 60 mils of tequila into the shaker. $15 mils of agave syrup. And the juice of a fresh lime, or about 30 mils. That one just went flying, so we might need to do a little bit more. Alright, I reckon that's pretty good. There we go. A little bit more ice in the shaker, and we'll give it a shake. Alright, get that glass nice and cold. Just give it a quick rim with some of the lime you just used. Roll it in the salt. Yeah, good. Put as little or as much as you kind of want on there. There we go. Load up with some ice again. And then strain over the top. Perfecto. Grab a little lime wheel, and there you have the Tommy Margarita. Enjoy.